I want is
and after that he has been an inspiration to the youth, old, male, female, and also the third gender. His followers are all from all streams of society. He has a vast follower list: politicians, film industry, social organizations, educational organizations, Indian universities, foreign universities. He has a vast followers. He has been a very keynote speaker for many institutions, many foreign universities, Indian universities, corporates, business people, educational faculties, and much more organizations in the society. Everybody requests him, everybody feels the need for a lecture from him, even the bureaucratic circle as such. He has been giving lectures on PR to the IAS lobby also on many occasions at Dr. Murray Chenna Reddy Institute also. We are honored that we have such a great personality among us, and today we are celebrating the award given to him at the Guinness Book of World Records for being a member of the 23 members who have been the positive game changers in the world as such. I congratulate him, and we all aspire that with all his experience, with all his knowledge about public relation, he would inspire the entire society to develop good human bonding and good relations with all others for betterment of the society and betterment of the organization. Thank you all. Thank you.
इनका दिन डॉक्टर अजय अग्रवाल भाई साहब को बधाई देने का तो है ही, उससे ज़्यादा हमको खुशी खुद को हो रही है, वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है आज के दिन जो मैं अनुभव कर रहा हूँ। क्योंकि गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में आना एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, और जब आपके किसी भाई को वो मिलता है, आपके किसी परिवारजन को मिलता है, तो खुशी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है। तो आज मैं उस खुशी की अनुभूति कर रहा हूँ। उसकी एक वजह ये भी मैं बता सकता हूँ।
आज ही पता चला?
नहीं, ये मुझे मालूम था कि डॉक्टर अजय जी शाहजहाँपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हैं और मैं बगल के हरदोई ज़िले से हूँ, मेरा गांव वहीं पे है। पर मैंने कभी ये मतलब उतनी कोशिश नहीं की, पर आज मैंने जो गांव है अजय जी का, तिलहर गांव शाहजहाँपुर में, और शाहजहाँपुर जब भी हम जाते हैं अपने गांव तो हम शाहजहाँपुर रेलवे स्टेशन पे उतर के वहाँ से जाते हैं, तो उससे आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है। तो उससे खुशी और ज़्यादा हो जाती है कि वहाँ से आप भी आए, हम भी आए, और यहाँ पे हम मिले। पिछले 20-30 साल से हम लोग मित्र हैं परिवार की तरह, और इनको ये मतलब ग्लोबल लेवल पे रिकग्निशन मिला है। डॉक्टर अजय जी को कितने पुरस्कार नेशनल लेवल पे मिले हैं उसकी लिस्ट आप सब लोगों के पास है, उसे मैं दोहराऊंगा नहीं, पहली चीज़ है। पर मैं सबसे जो मेन चीज़ बोलूँगा कि जो पिछले साल 11 महीने पहले जब ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में जो अवार्ड दिया गया है वो सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि वो इंटरनेशनल भारत गौरव, मतलब जो लोग भारत के गौरव के पात्र हैं उनको दिया गया था, और वो हर उस सम्मान से सम्मानित किया गया था। डॉक्टर अजय जी को, किताब आपने देखी है, पूरे विश्व में 23 लोगों में डॉक्टर अजय जी का नाम आ गया है। देखिए वो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि भारत में तो मतलब कितनी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में, कितने फोरम्स में आपने स्पीचेस दी हैं, कितने आर्टिकल्स लिखे हैं, कितने न्यूज़पेपर्स में। उसका तो मैं एक ही चीज़ बोल सकता हूँ कि पिछले 2-3 साल से, रिटायरमेंट होने के बाद से, शायद ही कोई महीना ऐसा बचा होगा या कोई हफ्ता ऐसा बचा होगा जब मुझे बधाई नहीं देनी पड़ती थी। या तो कहीं पे आपकी स्पीच होती थी किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में या किसी अच्छे फोरम पे, या आपके आर्टिकल्स निकल रहे थे न्यूज़पेपर्स और जर्नल्स में। तो ये मतलब ये सब जिसे बोलना चाहिए कि सेंट्रल बैंक से हेड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन से रिटायर होने के बाद ये कर रहे हैं। ज़्यादातर लोग नौकरी से रिटायर होने के बाद आराम से रहते हैं, पर आपकी गतिविधियां उसके बाद बढ़ गई हैं, और इस लेवल पे बढ़ गई हैं कि हर हफ्ते कुछ ना कुछ समाज के लिए करते हैं। देश में 10 से ज़्यादा पुरस्कार मिल चुके हैं। इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे 2 हो गए हैं, पहला तो जो लंदन में मिला और दूसरा ये गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स। और उसके बाद जो चीज़ आपके प्रोफाइल में नहीं लिखी है, पर जो मैं ऑब्ज़र्व कर रहा हूँ, जो मैं बोलना चाहता था पर यहाँ पे वो वर्ड आ गया, हमेशा मैंने डॉक्टर अजय जी को पॉजिटिव मूड में देखा है। वो एक बहुत कम लोगों में होता है। ज़्यादातर लोग कभी खुश होते हैं, कभी दुखी होते हैं, पर इनको हमने हमेशा पॉजिटिव मूड में देखा है। और जो एनर्जी लेवल हमने इनमें देखी, अभी भी देख रहे हैं, वो रिमार्केबल है। और उससे हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि अभी तो डॉक्टर अजय जी केवल 23 लोगों में आए हैं विश्व में, आगे ये और सिंगल डिजिट में भी पहुंचेंगे। अभी तो डबल डिजिट में हैं विश्व में, 23 मतलब 23 में से हैं, क्योंकि उसमें रैंकिंग नहीं है ना। तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि जब कभी आगे आने वाले दिनों में कोई दूसरी किताब निकलेगी, पब्लिश होगी, जिसमें 2, 4, 8, 10 लोगों के नाम होंगे विश्व में, जो लोग कि विश्व में चीज़ों को इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें डॉक्टर अजय जी का नाम होगा और हमारी खुशी तो खैर बढ़ती रहेगी। इसके साथ साथ मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा डॉक्टर अजय जी को, आप सब लोगों को, जिन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया यहाँ पे बोलने का। धन्यवाद।
Awardees and their relatives, friends, and they have assembled there in that. But due to some unavoidable reasons, I could not go there. And I will also like to tell about that, share few things. That my aim is there. There was an interview. My interview was taken in one magazine, and they asked me, "What is your aim?" I just said, I don't want to die unheard. And I'm working in that direction, and that person, magazine, has given the caption in his my interview that I don't want to die unheard. That motivated me. See, my nature is that I want to be different from others. I want to be outstanding wherever I am. I want to be recognized wherever I go. And being a PR man, PR is my passion. I learned PR even from children, even from animals, my friends, colleagues, and all these things. And again, I am repeating at the same time, I don't want to die unheard. I want to do something for the society, for the country, because whatsoever I am today, it is because of the society. It is because of the blessings of my elders. I believe to take the blessings from my elders, and for which I am here in front of you. Besides this, I am engaged in many social and cultural activities. For latter side, I even walk on the ramp also. And during COVID also, we have done a lot to support the people who are needy, those who are not having food, those who are not having money, and all the way we have supported them like anything. Also, I would like to share that we are running about 1 lakh schools in the country in remote rural areas. For that organization that is called Friends of Tribal Society, and we are running schools in remote rural areas to give them basic education, health, sanitization, our culture, and our Deshbhakti, nationalism. And we are very successful. I would like to tell you that we are running about 6,500 schools in rural areas in Jammu and Kashmir. And wherever our schools are there is no stone pelting, no nothing, no problem. And even children are Muslim, teachers are Muslim, but they say Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Bande Mataram. Because our aim to inculcate the habit of nationalism. Nation is first. We are secondary. Our religion is secondary. Nation is first. So with that aim, we are very successful, and our organization, Friends of Tribal Society, where I am the state vice president and CSR committee chairman for South India. We are giving them even computerized education also, and we have got about 29 buses fully fitted with computer, and they go to rural areas, educate them, motivate them, and teach them to stand on their own legs. So these are the few things, and my aim is the sky is limit for me. I don't want to sit idle. Still, I don't sit idle. I go on doing something. I do write articles. I do give lectures. I want to be something different from others. With this, I must thank you all. I must thank Ajay ji. He's more than a brother to me, always available to me for coming and gracing this occasion. This is a proud to be with me at this proud moment. I thank my all friends also, my well-wisher also, and my media cousins. They are cousins, no? Because I told you that I was a correspondent also for 7 newspapers in UP already. So my message I want to communicate to the people, because public relations is a subject everybody does, but they forget the importance of public relations. So my message to all the people that do the public relations with some aspect. Don't do the public relations, but the work is over and forget. If you do the PR, understand the importance of PR and follow the PR, you need not to run after success. Success will follow you. And on this I have written a book also. Last year written Public Relations, a Tool for Success, which already 4,000 books have been sold. This is a very good book. Whosoever has read it, they have appreciated and liked that. This is a best-selling book as of now. And another book is coming of mine, that is about my biography, and Hindi version of this book, PR, a Tool for Success, and the compilation of all the articles which I have written. I have written more than 300 to 400 articles in different newspapers, magazines. I have given an interview on Doordarshan radio, or recently last month only there was interview of mine in Doordarshan for about 55 minutes. So I talk on PR, and I want to communicate this message that PR is a thing. This, if you follow it, it will change your life and you will be successful wherever you are. Thank you very much. Dr. Ajay Kumar Agarwal. I am National President, International Chamber of Public Relations, and got a administrative head, World Communications Council, and advisor for SME Chamber of India and Telangana. I was working with Central Bank of India for heading entire Andhra, Karnataka and Telangana for Public Relations Department, and second man as a zonal office for entire Telangana. I was in Bombay. I was heading the corporate public relations department for entire country. Now aim is, I don't want to die unheard. I want to serve the society. I want to serve the needy people, and we are doing a long good work in this direction. I need your support. My mess and being a PR man, I have written a book on public relations, which is best-selling book as of now, and have been sold more than 4,000 books in the country, and another 5,000 books we are going to print it. This is my book. This is a book which can help the person to follow the success. After reading this book, he need not to. I guarantee, he need not to run after success. If he reads this book, the success will follow him. This is the importance of the book. 47 years of experience of mine is in this book, and another book is coming, the Hindi version of this book, and I am coming out with my autobiography very soon, and compilation of my all the articles which I have written in the newspaper. More than newspapers, magazines, more than 250 to 300 articles have been published so far. I don't sit idle. I don't want to sit idle, and I go on doing something. I want to be different from others. I am being a PR man. I want to be successful wherever I am. I want to be different from others, and I want that all my people, everybody does PR, but अंदर की PR. But how many people follow it? If they follow it, they need not to run after success. With this, I must thank you all for coming and gracing this occasion on the occasion of getting this award, which my name has come in the Guinness Book of World Record, the thickest book. There are 23 positive change leaders in the world. My aim is very high. For me, the sky is the limit, and I want to go as much possible as last year. I told you for sparing your valuable time and to make this event a very successful event. Thank you.
I want it.
హలో హాయ్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం నేను మీ లక్ష్మీ మంచు సో you're watching me on City Light E-News. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మేళ నరేష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hello everybody, Andarki Namaskaram. This is Anusia Bharadwaj. Please subscribe to City Light E-News. Thank you.
Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
హలో నేను మీ రాశి సింగ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్.
హలో గైస్, నేను మీ అశ్విని. సో సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంచి ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ కంటెంట్ దొరుకుతుంది మీకైతే. సో గో అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఈ న్యూస్ సిటీ లైట్.